At dawn, the journey of Yubari King Melon juice quietly begins.
Controlled environments shape exceptional fruit.
Experience decides the perfect moment.
Precision protects purity.
Freshness leaves the earth intact. Protection starts from first contact.
Consistency is built by teamwork. Quality checks begin immediately.
Only the finest move ahead. From farm to factory, the journey advances. Care continues as machines take over. Every transfer is measured and calm.
Temperature locks in freshness. Stability protects quality in motion.
The road now carries the harvest. Distance begins without delay.
Speed stays balanced with care.
Data guards freshness, mile by mile.
Harvest meets industry.
The next transformation awaits inside. Arrival marks the handoff from road to process.
The factory opens its gates to freshness.
Standards are confirmed before entry.
Flow begins without interruption.
Every step is designed for continuity.
Clean design protects delicate flavor.
Traceability follows every melon. Human oversight remains essential.
The first transformation stage approaches. Purification begins the factory journey. Cleaning begins where control matters most.
Every trace of the field is gently removed.
Texture is cleaned without harm.
Purity is locked in at every stage.
Transit transcription. Clean surfaces prepare for inspection.
Human judgment refines machine work.
Standards are upheld without compromise. Consistency is measured precisely. Order prepares for transformation. The heart of the process begins now. Precision takes control at the core.
Balance begins with a single cut.
The inner structure is revealed. Only pure flesh remains.
Nothing useful is wasted.
Quality is confirmed by trained eyes.
Refinement sharpens purity.
Every layer finds its place.
Shape gives way to substance. Transformation is now underway. Solid form gives way to flow.
Flavor concentrates in motion.
Texture is refined with care.
Smoothness is engineered, not rushed.
Balance develops inside steel. Uniformity protects flavor integrity.
Safety joins the process. Heat is applied with precision. Safety never compromises taste. Transformation reaches stability.
Automation keeps precision constant.
Data guides every decision. Timing replaces guesswork.
Consistency is constantly measured.
Clarity is engineered, not assumed. Cleanliness never pauses production.
Technology assists verification.
Every batch leaves a record. When systems align, flow continues. Automation hands off to precision. Precision begins where balance is set. Stability protects consistency. The final refinement is invisible but vital.
Containers prepare to receive the product.
Accuracy defines premium quality.
To transcription. Even empty space is measured.
Sealing preserves freshness.
Security is verified, not assumed.
Identity is applied with precision. Traceability follows every bottle. Quality clears the path forward. Machines see what eyes might miss. The journey nears its final form. Random checks ensure total trust.
Science supports craftsmanship.
Safety is proven, not assumed.
Flavor balance is measured precisely.
Experience validates data.
Approval unlocks the final stage. Verification begins before release. Precision is confirmed in grams. Protection is built around precision. Automation finishes what care began. Identity follows every unit. Order prepares for distance. Stability secures every mile ahead. Freshness waits under control. Distribution begins with readiness.
And this is how modern factories produce Yubari King Melon juice from start to finish.
Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.